Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel as we are here again with another exciting video for you. If you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, subscribe to our channel and enjoy the video. As you know, we always prioritize your sentiments, so today, we are here again for you with the video, a power pack of knowledge and entertainment. The topic of today's video is also related to a global problem, how to make money. But this time, we will introduce a new way by which you can make money. Few people know about this, so if you are interested in learning something new, stay with us until the end of the video. Today's video is about how to make money through YouTube Shorts. Are you familiar with this term? If you are, then it's good. Even if you don't know, you don't need to go anywhere for any information related to the YouTube Shorts. We've got you covered. Let's start with the video. You are familiar with TikTok and its interface. You might not be aware that YouTube also contains this type of interface known as YouTube Shorts. These are the vertical short-form videos. Anyone with a YouTube account can create these bite-sized short videos and clips. YouTube Shorts started in 2021 when TikTok was about to hit the peak of popularity worldwide. Viewers can also like YouTube Shorts and have an option for dislike and subscription to the channel. The content remains permanently on the accounts like other YouTube videos. Now we will move towards the main point of this video, how you can make money from YouTube Shorts. This is a fun gesture of YouTube that is somehow related to TikTok. If you know how to make money on TikTok, you will also quickly understand today's video. We have already uploaded a video regarding making money from TikTok. So, if you have not watched that video, then please watch it after watching this video for a better understanding. This is the matter of YouTube. It means some rules were different according to YouTube rules and regulations. Let me clear one thing here, you will not make any money if the viewers watch your shorts on the short player. You will get paid for your short videos only when they will come as short ads on the regular watch page of YouTube. You can make short videos on YouTube for fun purposes, but if you want to earn money from YouTube Shorts, you must be part of the YouTube Partner Program. Another way to earn money from YouTube Shorts is to get a Shorts bonus or a brand sponsorship. If you only want to earn from YouTube Shorts, then it is not as easy as in the case of TikTok. Here, you may get help from YouTube Short for increasing your followers if you have the main YouTube channel. If the people will always keep swiping up the shorts, then how could you make money from the YouTube Shorts only? So it is better that you should run a YouTube channel. Besides this, you also make regular YouTube Shorts to increase the chance of earning. YouTube creators who want different views and engagement on their channel make YouTube Shorts so that their YouTube family grows speedily. They earn thousands of dollars per day. So the important ways you can earn by YouTube Shorts are the YouTube Partner Program and YouTube's own Shorts account. Now we will talk about the people eligible for the Shorts bonus. This eligibility depends on the channel's short performance of the previous month. But some other things which are essential to get a Shorts bonus are these. YouTube should locate the person in the eligible country. You can check the list of eligible countries for YouTube from any website. In the US, you should be 13 years old, and in other countries, you should reach the age of maturity to activate your account. You have to follow the monetization policies of YouTube. You also have to follow some of your YouTube's community guidelines. You have been uploading YouTube Shorts for the last 180 days. You have to accept the terms and policies of the program. You should have a link to an active Google AdSense account. Then you will become eligible to receive the bonus payments from the account. So collectively, you can say that your YouTube account should be in a standing condition to get paid by YouTube Shorts. This was all from today's video. I hope you guys will like it and will press the bell icon to let us know that you appreciate our efforts. We are trying our best to make you guys reach out to every possible platform of earning money. So, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family members. There are many more exciting videos on the way for you guys, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We are promising you again that next time we will again bring a fantastic video for you all. Till then, stay tuned.